Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to grow basil from a cutting. So first you're going to identify where you're going to cut. I'm going to cut this one right here. So you want to cut at the bottom from where it branches out. Right there. In this case, this was an offshoot, which meant it came out of a stem. But if you're cutting the top of a stem, like for example this, you're going to want to cut right above a leaf node. So this is a leaf node right here, and it's where two leaves come out. You're going to want to cut right above that. So to prepare it for propagation, you're going to take off the lower leaves. So that most of the stem is exposed. You could even take off these two, but I won't. And you're just going to put it in water. Put it with the tomato right there. And that should root in about a week. Here's one that's been sitting for a week. You can see the roots are well developed. And now I'm going to transplant this into my herb bed with my other basil plant.